One dead body, guys. 2, 3, another one back there, bro. 4 people. This is how you know it's fucking cold out here and these fools haven't even slept. Alrighty guys, so we're back at day 2. This is for the IFO event, not the Famosa Testing Sim. This is actually the event. So we're in line, getting ready to check in. We're right behind TP Motorsports, and hopefully we can get everything cracking, man. So hopefully things will go good for us today. We're probably gonna go into the 11.5 class and just see how it does. Hopefully everything will go smooth, and wish for the best, man. Better time, not so much faster, because then they'll give me a warning if I go faster, and then I need a cage for the car, which I am planning on, but we'll see how it goes.
I didn't recognize you with your hat. Yeah.
Roses are heavy as fuck. It's all Jack's fault.
second qualifying. We'll see how it done. Thank you, boss. Slower than before, so we're okay. 12:0, 1:8:60. So not too bad. Now we're in the qualifying. I know that for a fact. I don't know where I'm going to be ranked at, number 1, 2, 3. Since the other hit, the first hit was pretty solid. So it's a 11.55, so that's right where you want to kind of be. So I'm hoping things are gonna be okay. Car's doing amazing, man. Fucking love it. Absolutely love this car. I put together a good car this time, and I'm happy, man. Whether how things go out today, I'm extremely happy. And yeah, let's get it, man. Alright guys, so I did qualify and I qualified 4th in the pairing. So I'm going up against this guy right here. He ran 11.7, 11.5. I had some other mix-ups, but it is what it is. So hopefully we can make things happen. This is the highest one right there from what I can see. And the other ones are pretty solid as far as everything else, but we're gonna continue seeing where we go. I mean, we make it, we break it. We already know where we're going to. We're already lined up. Paired with EK Hatch B Series Turbo, front-wheel drive also. So we'll see who takes the W on this one. We're waiting for all the other cars to go through. I think they already did Sport. They already did Sport front-wheel drive. They did all the other ones. So now it's following up is gonna be that one, which is, I forgot which one that one is. You got 10.5 and then you got 11.5 and then you got Bracket Racing. So we'll see how it goes, guys. But I'm stoked. We made it, and we at least got to some sort of eliminations, man.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?